In this video, I will show you how to fix Ubisoft Store not loading. So what you're gonna have to do is, first of all, log out of your Ubisoft account. Now, after you log out, you're gonna have to simply open the Run app. So simply search for Run and then simply open this app on your computer. Now the next step is to simply enter this text here, local app data, and then simply press enter on your keyboard. Now the last step is to simply look for the Ubisoft game launcher and then simply delete this. Now after you delete this, you can basically go back and log in into your Ubisoft account, and that's all you have to do in order to fix Ubisoft Store not loading. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.